Hello. For this session, I'll be discussing um, two topics in Zoho SalesIQ. So first is how to use triggers for dynamic replies. Then second is how to test and debug chatbots before going live. So we'll start from our first topic, which is how to use triggers for dynamic replies. So in SalesIQ, we will use triggers. So those are automation rules that respond dynamically to a visitor's actions, behavior, or attributes in your website or app. So it means setting up automated responses or actions when specific conditions are met. So for example, let's head to the triggers first. Go to your settings. Then under automate, you have triggers. So I already created a sample, which is a dynamic text demo. Then just hit edit. So here, when you create a trigger, so you have to provide a title, a user brand, then the audience criteria. You can create more if you wish, depending on your criteria. So let's just say if we add one. If we select here, you can have it current page title, search engine, browser, operating system. Really depends for your criteria. Okay, so next is we have to select to initiate a trigger when the visitor either lands on the website or access any page, perform a custom action, or leave the website. Okay, so next is the trigger type. We can either use an invoke using JS API or send a chat invite. So in our case, we have selected an operator name, then initiate after. It could be from your 10 hours, 10 minutes, or 10 seconds. So the minimum would be 10 seconds. So from here, we can create your own greeting message to have our dynamic text as well. So if we type a percentage, so here we have a list of fields that we can add it here. Okay, so we have a bunch of fields that we can add. So in our case, I have already like a very simple and short greeting message with a visitor country and time zone. So let me hit save first. Then let me head to a browser. So here, once we're here, we have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then the trigger will now be initiated. So here, as you can see, that our trigger has been successfully um, triggered. Here we have a from our field Philippines country, then our time zone stated here. So it is straight to the point that whatever you add on your greeting message, it will be automatically show it to your widget. Okay. So for the last topic, which is the test and debug chatbots before going live, it is to ensure a flawless customer experience by testing and debugging your bot in a safe environment before deploying it to real visitors. So basically, when you are already created your bot, let me just proceed to settings. Then under bot we have Zobot. We have a bot created this, which is demo bot v2. Um, for context, I created this bot by a template. Okay, so assuming that you already, let's just say you want this finalized, but for publishing it, you want to test it first. So on the bottom right, you will see a test your bot. So just click it. Then from here, you can have the scenario. Okay, so from there, you can basically test whatever everything before you publish it. Then if you have findings or you wish to modify it, from there you can already configuring it before you publish. Let's just say if we hit my bookings, you will see that every step that you make here on the testing phase, you will see a line on what part are you in. Okay, so yeah, so whatever thing you do, you can already modify it on the spot. So yeah.